folk dance item known as Taritajam. This piece mainly focuses on rhythm, footwork, and body movements. There is no story, but the beauty lies in energy and timing. It showcases the dancers' control and confidence. Please enjoy and please encourage these tiny performers who are performing for the very first time on this stage. I request everyone to please give a huge round of applause once again for these tiny performers.
तारितझं तझं तरिता तदिमित किट तक तक तदिगिणदु तारितझं तझं तरिता तदिमित किट तक तक तदिगिणदु तारितझं तझं तरिता तदिमित किट तक तक तदिगिणदु तारितझं तझं तरिता तदिमित गिट 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 तक तक तदिगिणदु तझं तकजं तकिटजं तक तकिटजं तकिट तगदिगु तदिगिणदु तझं तकजं तकिटजं तक तकिटजं तकिट तगदिगु तदिगिणदु तरितदण दण दण तजोणु जोणु जोणु तदिमिरिमि दिमि तकिट तक तरितदण दण दण तजोणु जोणु जोणु तदिमिरिमि दिमि तकिट तक तरित
Well, that was a very mesmerizing performance by our tiny students who performed on the stage for the very first time. Next, ప్రదర్శించ